What up, what up? It's your girl Fee back with another amazing vegan recipe. Today I made some of my tacos. Now, they're not authentic Mexican tacos. They are just my rendition of some bomb-ass flavors hitting all your mouth areas and sinuses, just smelling good and tasting even better. I like to use vegan crumble, even though you can always use ground almonds. You can use a myriad of mediums to make your vegan crumble, but I like to use just the plant-based meat substitute. I like to let it brown a little bit in the pan to give it a nice crunch. And trust me, it's fire. It'll take you about 30 minutes, maybe 45. Depending how fast you like to chop and like to remix it on the tail end and add whatever toppings you love. Today I did romaine lettuce, some diced tomatoes, sliced avocado, and my famous chipotle sauce, which I think everyone will love. It has a nice heat to it. You can adjust that heat as well. But when I say it's the sauce, it's the sauce, okay?
That was fun.
So first we'll start with the lovely sauce. And to do that, we'll have some vegan mayo, lime, and garlic cloves, as well as, of course, some chipotle peppers. For prep, you'll need to chop your ingredients. Felicia chose to go with white onion, romaine, and tomatoes, but you can absolutely freestyle this portion. Then you'll need a blender to create the sauce. Mix the mayo, the peppers, lime, garlic, black pepper, and salt, and blend until smooth. Once you're done with the sauce, set that aside, and you'll want to combine the onions and the crumble in a saucepan. Brown it with a neutral oil of your choice and season to taste. Now you are ready to serve. In addition to the crumble, Fee is going to top these babies with lettuce, tomato, some avocado, and minced cilantro. Oh, and don't forget to add that delicious sauce. What are you waiting for? We left one just for you. Eat up.
Hey folks, Becca here. I am not one of the cooks on this channel, but I am our professional eater. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. All important links are listed down below. Oh, and remember, please wash your hands. See you next time.